Ethan had loved Lily for as long as he could remember. They met in college, thrown together as lab partners in biology. She was bright and kind, her laughter like sunlight breaking through clouds, and her eyes held a warmth that made Ethan's chest ache. They became fast friends, spending late nights in diners, cramming for exams and sharing secrets in whispers. For Lily, it was easy friendship. For Ethan, it was everything. He never told her how he felt, too afraid of ruining the one thing that mattered most, her presence in his life. He buried his feelings, swallowed confessions that burned in his throat, and smiled when she spoke about other boys. He was always there for her, at midnight when she cried over breakups, on rainy days when she wanted company, and on mornings when she needed coffee and a smile. Years passed, and they stayed close even after college ended. Ethan built a life around her in silence, never daring to hope for more. Then, one winter evening, Lily called, her voice bright and tremulous. She wanted Ethan to meet someone, Michael, the man who made her eyes light up and her words tumble out in a nervous rush. Ethan's heart cracked, but he agreed. What else could he do? At their wedding, Ethan stood by Michael's side as the best man, his smile strained but unwavering. He watched Lily glide down the aisle, radiant in white, her eyes fixed on the man waiting for her. Ethan's chest tightened with every step, the vows carving new wounds with every promise she made to someone else. Afterward, at the reception, Lily found him alone on the terrace. She threw her arms around him, laughing, tipsy with champagne and happiness. "I don't know what I'd do without you," she whispered. "You're my best friend, Ethan, my rock." He hugged her back, fingers trembling where they pressed into the delicate lace of her dress. He wanted to tell her everything. How he loved her, how he always had, but the words died in his throat. Instead, he forced a smile and said, "Always," his voice soft and breaking. Years drifted by. Ethan remained close, part of their family, the godfather to Lily's first child. Time blurred his pain into a dull ache, a shadow he learned to live with. He watched Lily's hair turn silver, her eyes crinkle with laughter, her life unfold in warmth and light, always just beyond his reach. Ethan passed quietly one autumn evening, alone in his apartment. Among his belongings, Lily found a box, old photos, ticket stubs from concerts they had seen, and a letter never sent. Unfolding the paper with trembling hands, she read the words he never dared to say. Tears blurred the ink, and Lily clutched the letter to her chest, a hollow ache settling deep inside. In that quiet room, surrounded by memories, she whispered his name, her voice breaking with the weight of everything left unsaid.